Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me kick off this video with a very simple question for you. What is a gaming laptop? Is it something that is laser focused on giving you the highest FPS numbers, with everything else having to play second fiddle to the ultimate goal of delivering the best performance results? Or is it something that can serve a multitude of other functions and use cases while still delivering an enjoyable experience in modern games? I mean, after all, most of us aren't playing games 24 hours a day, unfortunately. So would it not be great to have that one machine that can do it all? Asus ROG must apparently think so as well, and with their completely redesigned G14 and G16, they just launched two of the most promising notebooks I have seen this year so far. While they might be ROG branded, these insanely sleek looking fellas can easily take on Razer's Blade series, or hell, even something like the Dell XPS when it comes to their style and portability promises, without compromising on their gaming DNA. We had the chance to try out these beauties already, and guys, Asus may have just won 2024 with these two. While the 2023 G14 will still remain available, after all it remains your only option if you want a freaking 4090 in a 14-inch form factor, both new models are completely new designs within ROG's lineup. The G14 can be yours with AMD's Ryzen 8000 refresh and up to an RTX 4070 with a max power target of 90 watts, while the G16 has Intel's Meteor Lake CPUs beating at its heart and can accommodate even RTX 4080 and 4090 options with a little over 100 watts and vapor chamber cooling. Both share an incredibly thin all-aluminium chassis with a new interpretation of interactive lighting on the sturdy display lid and this awesome looking new hinge. Despite their slim form factor, the new notebooks do not skimp on port selection, and on the left we get Asus's new reversible power connector, HDMI 2.1, a USB-C with USB 4 or Thunderbolt support, a USB-A and the audio combo port. On the opposite side we get an additional USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, a second USB-A and a microSD card reader. And Asus did not stop with the goodies here, but both models come with fast OLED displays, and as a first for 2024 we do finally get G-Sync support. In the smaller G14 we get a 2.8K variant refreshing at 120Hz, while the bigger brother is betting on a QHD Plus panel with a 240Hz refresh rate. I had the chance for some hands-on time at the end of 2023, and first of all it's hard to really wrap your head around just how portable these puppies are. My 2023 G14 is already a pretty sleek notebook, especially considering the performance it packs. But next to the new models it looks downright massive. Both the silver white and darker grey color look awesome, and ROG is showing some incredible attention to detail with the massive trackpad and CNC speaker grills. Unfortunately, I was not able to do any in-depth testing since the units I was shown have been pretty early sampled. But as for now, Asus may be on track to put together two of the best gaming, creator and general all-purpose notebooks. Oh, and by the way, the speakers on these, well, we might talk MacBook Pro level here. In addition to the G14 and G16, ROG is also tending to their roots, and they announced upgrades and refreshes to their existing lineups. The SCAR gaming behemoths are getting Intel's new 14th gen Raptor Lake refresh CPUs, and the big boy, the SCAR 18, is getting the mini LED treatment. The TUF series also gets updated across the board with new CPUs from both Intel and AMD and a wide range of different configurations. I will link our news on the website in the description below if you want to get some more in-depth information. That should wrap it up for ROG today. Stay tuned for more CES coverage, since they announced a lot more stuff today that aren't laptops. And we will of course check it out for you here in Vegas. Until then, let me know what you think about the new G14 and G16. Will you pick one up, and in what configuration? Sound off in the comments below. Alright folks, that's it for today. Thanks a ton for watching. Please hit that like and sub button on your way out. My name is Alex, you have been fantastic, and I cannot wait to see you all in the next one. Take care.